Welcome back, friends. Today's challenges. How much do you know? Inside Out. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. Are you ready? Let's go. First question. Who is she? Envy, embarrassment, or disgust? Envy. Who is she? Riley. What is the name of Riley's mom? Jill Anderson. What is the name of Riley's dad? Bill Anderson. How many new emotions are there in Inside Out 2? 6, 5, or 4? 4. What food does Riley dislike the most? Spinach, broccoli, or carrot? Broccoli. Whose new emotion is this? Riley. What is the name of this new emotion? Anxiety, ennui, or embarrassment? Embarrassment. What is the name of this emotion? Frustration, regret, or anxiety? Anxiety. What's Riley's sport? Soccer, hockey, or dance? Hockey. Which is a new emotion? Fear, anger, or ennui? Ennui. What does Envy say to disgust for the first time? Look at your hair. Who is cuter, envy, or embarrassment? What's the name of Riley's hockey team before going to high school? The Foghorns. Which team do you prefer, new emotion or old emotion? What is this place called? Grace, headquarters, or core memories? Headquarters. What is this called? Sense of humor, sense of emotion, or sense of self? Sense of self. Which city does Riley's family move to? New York, Las Vegas, or San Francisco? New York. How old is Riley in Inside Out 2? "13. Would you rather childhood or teenager? Thanks for watching.